one day we're gonna have to like move somewhere else because we're doing so many bad things to the earth. We're destroying it.
Yeah, we're destroying the world.
I came up with the idea, like, and they were talking about, like, I was watching some fucking science fiction show. I don't know what I was watching. But they're like, what if all the planet surrounded us, but from what people destroyed? And that's all.
Maybe we're living in shit. Can you hear me? No, really. What about Nazis? Why can't they get along with the Jews? What's going wrong with them, you know? I know.
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Give me your toe real quick.
What?
Hi. I'm Louise. And you're watching Big TV. You're on Big TV with fake marijuana. So you think?
Not in our lifetime.
That was really boring and gay. I don't know why I brought it up.
What happens in my world.
Monique, can you see me in there?
You live,
Hi, Monique.
you work,
Hey.
you die. Don't
Guys, I'm on TV.
That's depressing. I choose not to look at it like that. No. I was forgetting.
Stop